everybody. Welcome back. We're in the garage now because my sister and her friends decided to go in the pool, and I can't film out there because they're in the pool. I can't film in the living room because my family's out there, so I'm filming in the garage. And actually, this is, did I say food review already? This is food review, and this is a M&M, what's it called? A donut. An M&M donut. I've actually had one of these already. It's delicious. I don't know where it came from. My mom brought it home. I think it was last weekend. I don't know. I think it was on either last weekend or on Monday. And I'm just gonna slice it because here on Food Review, we are formal. You know, you don't wanna, look at that. That. Hopefully that's the thumbnail. Hopefully. If that's not the thumbnail, then I don't know what will be. Okay, so let's try it on camera, even though all these M&Ms are just falling off, by the way. I'd say that's a 7 out of 10. Wouldn't recommend. Let's see. So we just ate, and now let's look at some chemicals. I've actually just had this here. What do I mean by that? We have the rocket launcher. This is where I hit it. Is it safe to eat still? I'm gonna eat it anyway. I don't care. You just get some glue on the donut. Mixes in with the glaze nicely. And all these M&Ms, yeah. You wouldn't have the purple stuff on it. Delicious. Not really. Don't eat that at home. It's chemicals that'll kill you. So we have this. One of the ends is missing, mainly because well, we haven't decided if we wanted to do the slip and order a new part that's not threaded, or get a threaded pipe like this and put it there. It's a fly. Yeah, but I finished it yesterday. Well, I finished as much as I could. Yeah. I'm gonna finish this bite of donut. But anyway, thanks for watching. Like if you liked, subscribe if you are new. Make sure you turn on post notifications, which is just the bell. So you're notified when I post. Like just the other day, I posted a video about me making a waffle. I don't know why, but I did. And just I guess an hour from now, I'm not really sure because it takes a while to make these videos, but I would say about an hour ago, not an hour from now, an hour ago, posted my rocket launcher video, which I thought I posted this morning, but I didn't. Yeah, but I posted it. And I think it's fine. So I think I'm just gonna end it there. So see you guys all in the next video.